He's awesome.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video, y'all. So this is the school area, guys.
The midget kid.
Oh yeah, look.
Yeah, but we're gonna Rubik's Cube.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're gonna complete this Rubik's Cube in 3 seconds, bro.
I can't do it.
Wait, let me try.
Wait.
Alright, well, okay, start.
Now it's more. You can have an app. There's an app for that.
I know, yeah, there is an app.
It doesn't really work.
What are you doing? You're not even recording.
Bro, you see the timer up there? See the red bar that...
Oh,
Have you ever had an iPhone before?
I haven't.
You have one.
I know.
Then you should know this by now. Do you ever post up a video?
Like,
How do you do that?
Yeah, like have you ever recorded yourself?
A lot of practice.
I don't really record more.
He doesn't have a SIM card.
Okay, that's why you're a nerd.
He doesn't even have
Because
Complete on one side.
where'd you get this cube? It's very high quality.
I had to get it from the website.
Yeah, have you
Amazon.
No.
There's
What?
actually a website.
Nice.
There, he completed it. So
It's called
goodbye, guys. Subscribe
Wait,
to my
he completed it?
subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Goodbye.